Hi everyone, this video is on editing a table. It is found on page 14 of your workbook. So we need to open this document called History of Computers. Once you open, immediately save as your register number, name, and history. Okay, save it. Alright, so let me tell you what you will be learning. You'll be learning how to add new rows, how to change the location of the row, how to make sure that you repeat the heading row, as well as how to change the style of the table. Okay, so let me just address how you should select items in the table. First of all, let's say you want to select the row of the table. So put your mouse somewhere on the left side of the table and start to select it. The mouse is a white slanted arrow. Okay, this is a quick way of selecting rows. Now let's say you want to select columns. So to select columns, place the mouse near the middle of each column, and it will turn into a little black arrow that is pointing downwards. So click. You have just selected column 1, and let's just have another example. Click column 3. Okay, the entire column. So let's put this bigger. Okay, so let's say that you want to select only the cell. So let's say this. Okay, so you want to select computer history, inventors, inventions. So you have to put the cursor or the mouse pointer near the cell itself, and there will be a black arrow pointing into the cell. So click. There you go. Now if you want to make changes or necessary, because there's a typo error and you want to change the spelling, okay, inventor instead of inventors, then you have to click into the cell and you'll change into a blinking cursor, and you can remove the letter S. Okay, so this is a short introduction to how to work with tables. Let's now start with the exercise. And on page 14, you have just opened a 3-page document, History of Computers, and you're supposed to, on instruction number 2, insert page numbers. So let's go to insert page numbers on the footer, in the footer right side. Okay, now I would want you to view header footer also. In the header, please write your register number, your name, and your class, and press tab twice to go to the right side. Now this is the fastest way of entering today's date. So it looks like a calendar. Just click on it, close. Okay, you have just added the header. Now this is the header, this is the title, and the first row of every table is usually the heading row. So again, header, title, heading row. Okay, so on the heading row, you're supposed to change it to Comic Sans and bold it. You're done. And we need to repeat this heading row on every page, on top of every page 2 and page 3. So how to do this quickly? Just select the heading row that you want to repeat. Go to table properties, under row, select repeat as header row at the top of each page. Click OK. Now let's just view it. There you go, you have done it. Now you cannot edit. I'm trying to click inside this heading row on page 2. You can't edit it. If you want to make necessary changes, you have to go to the first row, the very first row where you took it, to make changes. Alright, so please refer to this video part 2 for the rest of the exercise. Thank you.